Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Invoice Ninja on Debian 12. First, you will need to install Nginx, MariaDB, PHP, and other PHP extensions on your server. You can install all of them with the following command. Once all the packages are installed, stop the Apache service, start the Nginx and MariaDB services if they are not already started. Next, you will need to create a database and a user for Invoice Ninja. First, log in to MariaDB with the following command. Once connected, create a database and a user with the following commands. Then, flush the privileges and exit from MariaDB with the following command. Next, download the latest version of Invoice Ninja using the following command. Once the download is complete, extract the file to the Nginx root directory. Then, copy the example environment file. Next, change the ownership of the Invoice Ninja directory and set the proper permissions. After that, create an Nginx virtual host configuration file for Invoice Ninja with the following command. Then, add the following lines. Save and close the file, then verify the Nginx for any syntax errors with the following command. After that, restart the Nginx service to apply the changes. Then, install certbot and the Nginx plugin. Next, generate and apply a TLS certificate. Certbot will automatically update your Nginx configuration to enable HTTPS. Now access Invoice Ninja from your browser. After completing the installation, enter your server hostname into your browser to access Invoice Ninja and finish the setup. You should see the following page. Next, input the database details and test the database connection. Once the database connection succeeds, proceed to create the first user account. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Submit at the bottom of the page. You will then see the login page. Enter your email address and password that you previously set to log in. Then, provide your company name and preferred currency. That's it. You have successfully installed Invoice Ninja on Debian 12.